Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best drain cleaner that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best drain cleaner. A clogged drain can be a headache, and it can easily lead to thousands of dollars in damage if you don't catch it right away and you end up with a flooded room. If you have several drains or a large family, clogged drains can be a recurring issue that is very frustrating. The more your drain clogs, the harder it can be to unclog it and keep it in good working order. Number 5. Xion Lab Industrial Strength Drain Cleaner. We created our proprietary cutting-edge hair clog remover for sink formula to be effective yet odorless, non-flammable and biodegradable. No sharp, burning after smell. Main features. Made in the USA. Innovative technology. Highly effective and safe declogger. Number 4. Green Gobbler Drain Clog Dissolver. Forget the dirty work of plunging clogged toilets and end backed up drains once and for all. The highly effective formula of Green Gobbler clears clogged drains. Main features. Easy and effective. Revolutionary formula. Maintains free-flowing pipes and drains. Number 3. Professor Amos Superfast 2-pack -32 ounces Drain Cleaner. Our proprietary accelerator formula to power through the worst grime and slime in all types of plumbing lines. Use in kitchen, bathroom. Main features. Commercial strength. 4 to 6 applications per bottle. Safe for all types of plumbing. Number 2. Thrift Marketing Kids Drain Cleaner. Dissolves grease and hair in 60 seconds or less. Odorless 4-in-1 drain cleaner. Small drains. Root control will not harm porcelain, chrome, plastic or metal pipes. Main features. Grease traps and septic systems. Manufactured in United States. Highly durable. Number 1. Drainomax Gel Drain Clog Remover and Cleaner. Formula for tidy drains. Gel-based Drainomax Gel Clog Remover collides and clings for longer to clean up. Cuts through standing water straight to the clog. Main features. Garbage disposals and septic systems. Money-back guarantee. Safe on PVC and metal pipes. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.